Hello friends, welcome to Finance Tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to calculate the future value of a single cash flow using the future value formula and also using an Excel spreadsheet. In our previous three videos, we learned how to calculate the present value of a single cash flow, the present value of a simple annuity, and the present value of an annuity due. So if you haven't yet, then please go and check out those videos and also subscribe to this channel to get notification of our future videos. So coming back to our today's topic, there is the future value of a single cash flow. So if you are calculating the present value of a single cash flow, then you have a certain amount of money after a certain amount of period, let's say 5 years. Then you need to discount this amount to its present value at time 0 to know its present value. But in case of future value, you have the money available to you at time 0 or period 0, and you need to calculate its value at period 5 to know its future value. So let's understand this with an example. Suppose you have $1,000 today, which you invested for 5 years at an interest rate of 8%. What will be the value of the investment after 5 years? To calculate the future value, you need to use this formula, which is future value is equal to C0 into 1 plus R to the power n. C0 is the cash flow at time 0, R is the rate of return or the rate of interest, and n is the number of periods. So in the given case, C0 is $1,000, R, that is rate of interest or rate of return, is 8%, and n, that is the number of periods, is 5 years. So the future value is $1,000 multiplied by 1 plus 0.08 raised to the power 5. So 1.08 to the power 5 is 1.469328. So 1000 into 1.469328 is 1469.33. You can also calculate this future value using the Excel spreadsheet. The function you have to use is equal to FV, that is future value. Then you have to give the rate, number of periods, payments, that is annuity, present value, and type. So here rate is 8%, number of periods is 5, annuity is 0, or you can leave it blank. Present value is $1,000 and type you can give it as 0 or you can leave it blank. So the future value comes out to be 1469.33. So the future value of $1,000 after 5 years, if the rate of interest is 8%, is $1,469. So I hope you would have understood the topic. If you have any doubt, feel free to leave a comment. Also, if you have any suggestions for any future videos, then please do comment. Also, go ahead and check out my Patreon channel. Support me if you like my work. The link is given in the description. Like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.